Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of UE handover testing using the Polaris EPC emulator and the Azimuth Channel Emulator. So in this demonstration, we are going to use the Azimuth ACE product, the Azimuth ACE MX. We've got a couple of base stations. These base stations are these black boxes. This hardware is from Freescale, and they are running eNodeB software from Telum. So we've got two of these base stations connected to the Azimuth Channel Emulator, and we have got one phone also connected to the Channel Emulator using this combiner. This phone is a HTC Verizon UE, and it is connected using an RF cable to a radio-proof enclosure. So during the testing, we can put the phone inside the radio-proof enclosure. The two base stations are connected using Ethernet to this laptop. This laptop is running the Polaris EPC emulator software, and what you see on the screen here is the EPC emulator console. So this software emulates the HSS, MME, P gateway, S gateway. So right now the two eNodeBs are powered off, so we don't see any eNodeBs connected in the network. So what we're going to do now is, to begin with, we'll power on the eNodeBs. And in about a minute, you will see the two eNodeBs get connected to the EPC. We can also look at the Wireshark trace to see the message exchange. So we'll have to wait a minute for this. Now you can see in Wireshark, we have got the S1 setup request from the two eNodeBs. So this means that the two eNodeBs are successfully connected to the MMA, and we can check that from the emulator console. So now you can see that we have got two eNodeBs with IP addresses 189 and 199 connected to the MME. These are the two eNodeB IDs, 4096 and 8192. Right now there are no UEs connected. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to connect the UE to the network. So we'll take this phone and we will disable the airplane mode. So now you can see that the UE is now connected. You can see the MZ here, and this little green icon means that it is connected. And if you look at the eNodeB table, you will see that there will be one UE that will be connected using this eNodeB. Okay, and we can check the packet exchange in Wireshark also. So you'll see the attach request, and then finally the attach complete. So this indicates that the UE is connected to eNodeB 1. And to check that, we can click on the UE here and get the detailed information about the serving cell. So you can see that the UE is connected to eNodeB with IP address 189 and eNodeB ID 4096 and tag 1. So what we're going to do next is we're going to induce a handover, and to induce the handover we'll use the Azimuth director to change the power level of the signal coming from the two eNodeBs. So to begin with, we have these two rows that you can see here, and you can see the output power level of -25 and -35 dBm from the two eNodeBs. So the top row shows that the signal from eNodeB 1 is stronger, it's -25 dBm, and the signal from the second eNodeB is weaker. So we're going to change these signal levels so that the handover happens. Okay. So we have reduced the signal strength from eNodeB 1, and we are increasing the signal strength to eNodeB 2. So because of this, what you'll see now is the handover has happened. If you look at the serving cell, the IP address of the eNodeB has changed from 189 to 199. You can see that here. You can see the eNodeB ID has changed and the tag has changed. Okay. And you can double check that in Wireshark. So in Wireshark you can look at the handover messages, okay, between eNodeB 1, MME and eNodeB 2. So this is basically a demonstration of a handover from eNodeB 1 to eNodeB 2, and now we are going to attempt to do the handover back from eNodeB 2 back to eNodeB 1. Okay, so what we see is now the eNodeB is that is serving this UE is eNodeB 1, IP address of 189. Okay, we can check the packets in Wireshark also. Okay, so this was the initial attach request, and then after that we have okay. So this was basically a brief demonstration of handover testing using the Polaris EPC emulator console and using the Azimuth Channel Emulator. Thank you.